Hello. So we are going to learn about string formatting in Python. So for string formatting, we have different ways. One method is Python's magic function called format. Alright, so this function is used to format the string in different ways. So the syntax is there will first be any string, let's say hello, and then we will say that this is the format, and the format will goes with two arguments. And what are these arguments are? These are, we will see in shortly. Okay, so basic string formatting a string is very simple, and we will do it with the following method. In a simple way, formatting is done by special characters called curly braces. These are the curly braces. Alright, the curly braces will be replaced by whatever arguments these strings that we pass into the format function. So let's take a very simple example. So we have we have these two curly braces in single quotation marks, and format, which is our function. In format we have to remember that pass two arguments, which we are going to give like this, and second argument will be Python. Alright, so see, our string was the curly braces. Our strings were the curly braces, which is replaced by, first is replaced by hello, and the second one is replaced by Python. So this is the simple string formatting. Let's take in another example. We'll take a string in here. Your age is less than. Now I will just put the curly braces in here. Dot format. In format, I will just put that string which I want to be replaced by these curly braces, and I will say my age is 20. So see, your age is less than 20. This is as simple as that. You can just replace the curly braces with format, and in format, whatever the thing you will put, it will be replaced with curly braces. So let's dig into some advanced example so you can learn it in a better way. So now we will change the words without changing the arguments. We will change the words without changing the arguments. So let's say it is a 0. Now dot format, and I will just copy these from here so time will be saved. Alright, so see, our curly braces are replaced with Python hello, which we have given in this. Alright, but you are wondering now, in our first example we have given the same arguments. Alright, same, but here the result was the hello Python. Now the result is Python hello. Why? Because it is we have given the 0 in second place and 1 is the first place. 0 will be in this place, and 1, this is 0 and this is 1, so 1 will be here, 1 will be here, 0 will be here, 0 will be this, and 1 is this. Alright, I hope you are understanding it. Let's just see another example. This is a string. My name is, I will put two curly braces, and format, I will put some name here, Joy Shom. Alright, so see, my name is Joy Shumo. So you see, our braces are replaced with this. If again we have put 1 and 0 here, so the Shomi will be first and Joy will be the second. Okay, so let's just try that. Here I will put 1 and here I will put 0. See, now this is changed like that. Okay, right. So let's see another example. In first curly brace I will put 0, and in second curly brace I will put 1, and in third curly brace I again put 0. Okay, so you have to remember this format. I will put L and put O here, and see, I have got lol. Why I have got lol? Because 0 is L, then I have 1 which is O, and then I have again 0 which is L. So this is how I got LOL. Alright, so now let's just try some example by using variables. Alright, so I will take a variable, my string equals to blah, and I will put 0 in here. Alright, so this is my string. Now I will just format it, my str.format. Now I will put blah, and you will see all the zeros will be replaced by blah 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 blah. Alright, so this is like this. Now I will take another variable car. I love my car, it is cool, right? Okay, now car dot format. The first one is red, the second one is super duper. I love my red car, it is super duper cool. Alright, because we have got only two dresses, so that's why we have got two things here. See, so this is how you do work with using variables. It is as simple as that, and nothing is complicated in here. So string format is very beneficial if you want to do play with some of your outputs. Alright, so in the next example, as you will see, we are using our code and save it into a file. Then the string formats and our output will be beneficial for us. Alright, thank you very much.